When it comes to managing diabetes, diet and nutrition play a vital role. One fascinating aspect of this nutritional puzzle is the consumption of plant juices. Rich in vital nutrients, plant juices are an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, all of which can aid in managing blood sugar levels. Let's dive into the world of plant juices and find out what is the best #1 plant juice for diabetics, backed by science. But before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button or hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. Kicking off the list is cucumber juice. Cucumbers are low in carbohydrates and high in water content, making them an ideal choice for diabetics. In addition to being a fantastic hydrating agent, a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that cucumber peel helped reduce blood sugar levels in diabetic rats. While the research is yet to be replicated in humans, the results are promising and suggest the potential benefits of cucumber juice for people with diabetes. Next up, we have the humble tomato. Tomato juice is rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been found to reduce the risk of heart disease, which is a common concern for people with diabetes. An intriguing study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism highlighted that increased lycopene levels were associated with a significantly reduced risk of heart disease in women with type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, tomatoes are low in carbs, making tomato juice a safe and healthy choice for diabetics. If you've not yet considered spinach juice, you might want to give it a try. Spinach is packed with dietary fiber and has a low glycemic index, which means it can help control blood sugar levels. According to a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition, the high magnesium content in spinach can be beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes, as it can improve insulin sensitivity. AMLA, or Indian gooseberry, is another plant juice worth considering. Known for its high antioxidant properties, AMLA has been used in traditional Indian medicine to treat diabetes for centuries. The effectiveness of this practice has been verified by modern science, with a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology revealing that AMLA juice helps improve blood glucose metabolism, suggesting its potential use in managing diabetes. Bitter melon, or bitter gourd, is a fruit widely cultivated in Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean for its medicinal properties. It has been extensively used in traditional medicine as a remedy for diabetes. The plant contains at least 3 active substances known as carantan, vicine, and an insulin-like compound called polypeptide P, which are believed to have blood glucose-lowering effects. A review of studies published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology supported the anti-diabetic properties of bitter melon, making its juice an excellent option for people with diabetes. Aloe vera, popularly known for its skin benefits, is also beneficial when it comes to diabetes. A study published in the Journal of Diabetes Research found that aloe vera juice could help improve blood glucose levels and reduce body weight and fat mass in people with prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. This suggests that regular intake of aloe vera juice might be a useful addition to a diabetic diet. And now, for the plant juice that tops our list, broccoli juice. Yes, you heard it right. Broccoli is a superfood that offers an abundance of health benefits, and its juice is a concentrated way to enjoy these benefits. The reason it's our #1 pick? Broccoli contains a compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown to have significant anti-diabetic properties. A study published in the journal Science Translational Medicine found that sulforaphane reduced glucose levels in diabetic patients. Therefore, incorporating broccoli juice into your diet could be a game changer in managing your diabetes. Broccoli juice, unlike other fruit juices, is low in sugars and high in fiber, which is crucial for those with diabetes. This ensures that the juice doesn't spike your blood sugar levels. Moreover, this green delight contains antioxidants like vitamin C and E, which can combat oxidative stress associated with diabetes. But it's the presence of sulforaphane that makes broccoli juice the star of our show. Sulforaphane helps regulate blood sugar by improving the liver's glucose production, offering a natural and beneficial means to manage diabetes. The benefits of consuming plant juices extend beyond their potential effects on diabetes management. While specific claims should be supported by scientific evidence, here are some general benefits associated with adding plant juices to your meals. Plant juices are often rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients support overall health, boost the immune system, and help maintain proper bodily functions. Plant juices can contribute to your daily fluid intake, helping to keep you hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for numerous bodily processes, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Some plant juices, such as aloe vera or ginger juice, have been traditionally used to support digestive health. They may aid in soothing the digestive system, reducing inflammation, and alleviating common digestive issues like bloating or indigestion. Plant juices, especially those made from low-calorie vegetables, can be a beneficial addition to a weight management plan. They are often low in calories, high in fiber, and can help increase feelings of fullness, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Certain plant juices like green juices or beetroot juice are believed to have detoxifying properties. They can support the body's natural detoxification processes, helping to eliminate toxins and waste products. Plant juices are often abundant in antioxidants, which help protect the body against oxidative stress and free radicals. Antioxidants are linked to a range of health benefits, including reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting healthy aging. Adding plant juices to your meals can enhance the variety and flavor of your diet. It can be an enjoyable way to incorporate different fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices, providing a range of tastes and textures. Remember, while plant juices, particularly broccoli juice, can contribute positively to managing diabetes, they should be used as a part of a balanced diet. It's also important to consume these juices in moderation, considering that excessive consumption can lead to weight gain due to caloric content. Moreover, it's crucial to note that while all the studies mentioned provide promising evidence of the benefits of these plant juices for diabetics, more extensive human trials are necessary. If you're considering incorporating these juices into your diet, always consult with your healthcare provider or a dietitian. They can provide guidance based on your individual needs and ensure these juices can be integrated safely into your diabetic diet plan. All in all, plant juices provide a wholesome way to include various nutrients in your diet. They not only offer an opportunity to enjoy a diverse range of flavors, but also bring along a host of health benefits. From the cooling cucumber and the tasty tomato to the extraordinary broccoli, these juices can be an excellent addition to your diet, adding a refreshing twist to your diabetes management journey. So, whether you're a diabetic trying to keep your blood sugar levels under control or someone trying to maintain a healthy lifestyle, do give these plant juices a try. Your body will thank you for the boost of nutrition, and your taste buds will appreciate the refreshing change. It's time to juice up your health.